Okay, let's try this again for exercise number 1. Again, we've got two triangles. We're told that they're similar to one another. Now I notice that it says green and orange there, and my triangles here are purple and blue. That's due to the inversion of the colors to make it stand out on the black. But just go ahead and look at the example that you have on your sheet. Okay, the numbers are all correct though, so that'll work out well for you. Okay, so here's the idea. The ratio here of this side length divided by this side length, and it really doesn't matter which way you go as long as you stay consistent. So I can either take 40 over 32, or I can take 32 over 40. That part doesn't matter. It's when you set up the second fraction that you need to make sure that you're staying consistent. So if you start with a bigger triangle, if the bigger triangle is on top for your first fraction, then the bigger triangle has to be on top for the second fraction. Okay. So now, since I started with the bigger triangle, I'll take this side length, which is 62.5, and I'll divide it by this side length, which we don't know, so we'll call it x. Again, you can go ahead and do some reducing here if you want. Okay. It's really, at this point, it's really irrelevant. But we can go ahead and divide each of these over here by 8. So this is going to be 5 over 4 is equal to 62.5 over x. And I need to solve that. So what I've got is 5x. Okay, and that's this cross multiplication right here. Okay, so that 5x is going to be equal to 62.5 times 4. Let's grab our pen here again, which is 250. So if I divide each side by 5, I'm going to get x is equal to 50. So that means that this missing length is 50 yards.